Thank you very much. At this time, may we proceed on for Representative Gil Riviere.
Good afternoon, members, guests, and distinguished guests. It's an honor to acknowledge this afternoon Dorothy Kanani Awai, who is a great leader in our community, and a leader in a way that is the bedrock of our community, not necessarily out there, out front, rattling sabers, not necessarily making all the headlines, but someone who's always there at the heart of the essence of the community. Auntie Kanani has donated her time, her manao, her teaching in hula, teaching ukulele. She's taught at Haleiwa Elementary, given her time tirelessly for decades. She is has been a kumu for a long time at Waimea Valley, bringing the gift of aloha, music, entertainment, cultural knowledge. When you are in her presence, you will learn, because she has a very simplified way to teach everybody to learn hula. She's got a great way of presenting it. So at any level, you will be learning from Auntie Kanani. So she has worked with many children, Hanaid, many people on the North Shore. Her family is profound in Haleiwa, Waialua, and the North Shore. So it is great honor that we acknowledge today Dorothy Kanani Awai. Please.